In this short video, I'm going to show you how you generate home learning codes within SeeSaw. So this is a SeeSaw class that I've already created, and if I click on activities, you can see that I've already created a bunch of lessons for the children to take part in. Now, if I want the children to see what I can see here and be a part of this shared SeeSaw space, I need to go to the journal, and at the top of the journal there is a blue button that says Get Home Learning Codes. Now, when I click on that, you will see that I can choose which class I'd like to generate the codes for, and you've got the choice of either printing the codes or downloading them. Now, obviously, you're going to have to download them because you can't physically hand the printouts to the children. When you download them, they will become a CSV file, which will open up on Excel on my computer. Now, if I zoom in here, you will see that each child has their own individual code. And as you can see, if I draw this out, each code is quite long and is random enough to keep the children secure and safe on their own learning platform. And there's no chance of anybody being able to guess this code and jumping on their SeeSaw lesson. So let's look at the flip side of this. I'm going to pretend that I'm Aidan the student. I've opened up my SeeSaw app. I choose I'm a student, and then I type in my long and secure code. Now, in order to actually share the codes with the children, once you've downloaded that CSV file, you're probably going to need to email the codes out to each child, and therefore parents are probably going to have to support you on this and support their children. So type in the code, press go, and as you can see here, I now have access to the SeeSaw lesson and all of the activities that go along with it. So there you go, that's how you generate and how you share the home learning codes on SeeSaw.